If you're running a busy trade business, I'm going to show you practical steps on how to unlock 100K plus sitting in your inbox right now by turning old quotes and inquiries into book jobs automatically. Okay, no chasing, no ad spend, no extra staff, no people cold calling your leads, nothing like that. Okay, so first of all, most trade companies we see, or from data, obviously, they're doing 50 to 100 quotes per month. Okay, and 60 to 70% of them go cold and never get approved. So obviously, that's a lot of revenue that most companies are essentially losing when obviously what they're doing is they just keep getting more traffic and buying more leads. Okay, so these aren't rejected, they're just forgotten. So your future cash flow is literally sitting in your inbox or in your database right now. Okay, so why does this happen? So customers get busy, quotes get buried, no follow-up systems are in place, and nobody wants to seem pushy. Okay, nobody wants to manually chase all of these, and I don't blame you. Okay, so they don't book and you don't get paid, but I want to show you this playbook that fixes this immediately for you. Okay, so what our job chase automation system does, okay, is it gives you 3 proven sequences that recover lost jobs fast. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through this, and again, I'll give you this doc for you so you can implement it. Okay, so number one is the fast lane quote chaser. So the first 7 days, recent quotes, okay, they're still deciding. This is the high urgency window. Okay, so we've got 24-hour, three days and 7 days text messages send out. So just copy and paste the sequence. Works so good for us. Okay, so hey, first name, just checking in. Do you want us to lock in that quote for you? Just get a yes or no. 3 days later, we got availability opening up. Want me to confirm a spot for your job? Question mark. Final check. We're nearly booked out this week. Do you want us to secure your preferred date? Okay, so you just want them to go, yes, sorry, yep, let's do it. Okay, so this converts 20 to 30% more approvals, perfect for your high intent jobs. All right, urgency, scarcity, and relentless follow up. Okay, that's what you need set up. Okay, and if you don't want to do this manually, you should just set up a system or an AI that does this for you. Okay, number two is the forget me not reminder. Okay, 30-day revival. So cold quotes, they forgot, you recover the warm ones. Yeah, so sequence. Again, 2 touches. So day 30, hey, first name, just following up. Do you still want us to take care of that job for you? Question mark. Not pushy, not salesy. Simple yes or no. If it's easier, just reply go and I'll do the rest. Okay. 3 days later. This converts 10 to 20% of cold leads. They don't hate you, they just forgot about you. Okay. So number 3 is the VIP priority pass, right? Win back. This is 60 to 90-day leads. So re-engages, injects urgency, creates exclusivity for the client, okay, for the customer. So send this once. We're booking out priority spots available for past quotes. Okay. Want me to hold one for your job? Okay. So just thinking about what that message is actually saying. This converts people that are still thinking into real bookings. Okay. Just get them to go, yeah, sweet, let's do it. They might just be like, okay, I'm ready to go now. Bonus, right? So past customer reactivation script. This is easy money, no ads. Okay, send this to old leads or old inquiries or old quotes. Hey John, how's everything going with the place? We're doing a special for past clients. Do you want me to send some details? Yes or no, right? Most customers have more jobs waiting. You just never asked or ask again. Okay, this typically returns 20 to 60,000 for established tradies. All right, backed by data. Okay, so profit unlock a table. So use this with your volume so you can get an idea. But these are other client examples. Okay, so first 50 to 80, 100 quotes sent, approval rate 30, 25, 20% with the automation. Okay, 50, 50, 50. So we obviously improving that by 20 to 30%. Extra jobs, you're looking at 35, 70, $105,000 in extra revenue per month. All right. Average job, 3.5 grand, which is typical. Same quotes, more approvals, zero added marketing costs. Okay. Another add on, right? So use this as a review. So when you got your post job customers, send them a text, something like this, right? Want a free upgrade or discount on your next job? Drop a 5-star review here. It helps us a ton. Just you don't get if you don't ask. Okay. Put a link in there so they can click it and actually give you a review automatically. We have a system that does this automatically every single client. So that's obviously a good way to get more reviews and get more referrals. Repeat customers are the easiest customers. Okay. So why this works, obviously why it works and why it would be better. But let's just say, so without system, customers forget. There's no urgency. You chase everything manually. Everything is maybe later, and you've got a stressful pipeline. With automations, you follow consistently. You put deadlines and action in place. AI and SMS do the work for you, not your team, not paying someone else to do it. Lock it in now. Okay, that's the responses you're going to get. Okay, this creates a more predictable approvals and revenue. You own the process, you win more jobs. So this is a bit of a tech setup checklist that I would be implementing right now. Okay, our system provides all of this for you. But again, if you just want to do it yourself, that's fine. This makes it all on autopilot. Okay, so you need AI, follow-up, and SMS. This is going to stop you from losing 70 to 80% of leads once they inquire. Okay, quote tagging triggers an automation. So once you send out a quote, make sure you've got follow-ups after that quote's been sent if they haven't accepted. Okay, you will get all your jobs with follow-up, not from the initial one. Okay, job scheduling links in the follow-up. So when you follow up, give them a link to click so they actually go and take an action, book the job in, or book a call with you. Because then you're not worrying about who's where, who's replying, what. It's just absolute chaos. Auto remove the lead once the job is booked. So don't let them get the follow-up from you if they've actually booked the job already. Okay, so dashboard showing revenue recovered, so you can see how many people that have been reactivated or re-engaged, or quotes into jobs, leads into inquiries. You got to know these numbers. This is optional, but you can set up a WhatsApp fallback support, so they don't text back. Send them a WhatsApp message from your business. Set up as your business account. Okay, this also recovers a lot of people too. Review and referral workflow post job. I showed you a little bit of a review link to send, but you need to have a referral workflow. So as soon as a customer goes into job complete, get them to refer you, get them to review you, get them to become a repeat client every single time. Okay. Again, you want this running on autopilot. Use our system. Quick and simple. Takes 7 days to install, sometimes even quicker. But if you want to see what that looks like, click this link here. I'll attach the Google Doc for you. All right. Download this, use it. Okay. I promise you, your next 100K isn't in more ads. It's sitting in your inbox right now. Okay. This is obviously for busy trade businesses that are getting a lot of inquiries, sending out quotes and just not getting those converted. You should have that automated. But if you just want a system that does it for $150 a week, by the way, watch this video, book a demo with me, and we can just see if it aligns with you. Otherwise, use this playbook, and keen to hear about your conversion improvements. Talk soon.